Moscow, September 26, 2025. In a display of cutting-edge military engineering that has sent shockwaves through global defense circles, Russia's latest iteration of the Obereg body armor has emerged unscathed from a harrowing point-blank barrage by a machine gun. The dramatic footage, released yesterday by state-owned Rostec Corporation via its Tula-based Oktava plant, shows the vest-absorbing direct hits from armor-piercing 7.62 by 54mm B-32 rounds fired at a mere 2 meters, close enough to feel the heat of the muzzle. As the world grapples with escalating geopolitical tensions, this breakthrough underscores Moscow's relentless push to fortify its frontline troops against the brutal realities of modern warfare. The test, conducted under controlled conditions at a Rostec facility, pushed the Obereg's BR-4 Plus ceramic composite plates to their absolute limits. A Kalashnikov PKM machine gun, chambered in the devastating 7.62 x 54 mmR caliber, unleashed a volley of B-32 incendiary armor-piercing ammunition, designed explicitly to punch through hardened steel and body armor alike. Spectators watched in stunned silence as the bullets slammed into the vest at over 800 meters per second, each impact erupting in a fireball of sparks and deformation. Yet, remarkably, the plates held firm. No penetration, no catastrophic failure. Backface deformation, the potentially lethal spall effect that can turn a stopped bullet into a blunt force trauma, was minimized to under 20 millimeters, well within survivable thresholds for a wearer. This isn't just armor, it's a guardian, declared Pavel Pavlenko, general director of the Oktava plant, in a press briefing streamed live on state media. The Obereg has evolved from a reliable defender into an unbreakable shield, giving our soldiers the edge in the harshest conditions. The video, which has already amassed millions of views on platforms like VK and Telegram, captures the raw intensity. Slow-motion replays reveal the plate's multi-layered structure. Ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, UHMWP, fibers sandwiched between advanced boron carbide ceramics, flexing like a living entity before snapping back intact. The Obereg, whose name evokes the ancient Slavic talisman for protection, isn't a newcomer to the battlefield. First unveiled in 2023 as part of Russia's Ratnik 3 Future Soldier program, the initial model quickly became a staple for Spetsnaz units and motorized rifle brigades in the Special Military Operation (SMO) zones. Early versions boasted a protection area of 70 dm superscript 2, about 10.8 square feet, covering vital organs while weighing in at a manageable 8 to 9 kilograms fully loaded. It was certified to withstand everything from 9mm pistol rounds, Class 1, to 5.45 by 39mm intermediate rifle fire, Class 4, including fragments from grenades and artillery shrapnel. Independent tests by Rostec in October 2023 even pitted it against foreign rivals. A Chinese vest shattered under a single 7.62 by 39mm hit, while a US-made plate carrier failed pre-test screening after buckling to the same round. But the 2025 upgrade? That's where the magic happens, or rather, the science. Rostec engineers shaved nearly a kilogram off the weight, capping the full kit at 8.5 kilograms by incorporating next-gen nanomaterials and optimized plate geometry. The protection radius ballooned by over 50%, now shielding shoulders, groin, and sides without sacrificing mobility. Crucially, it retains efficacy across a punishing -40°C to +50°C range, ideal for the frozen steppes of Donbass or the sweltering summers of Kherson. And the BR-4 Plus rating? It shrugs off not just B-32 machine gun rounds, but also the 7N14 sniper variants, 7.62 by 54mm projectiles that can drill through most NATO Level 4 plates at 300 meters. This isn't hyperbole, it's battlefield validated. Since June 2024, when Rostec inked a massive contract with the Ministry of Defense, over 50,000 Obereg units have flooded into SMO rotations. Frontline reports from Luhansk and Donetsk People's Republics paint a vivid picture. Medevac teams have logged a 35% drop in torso penetrations among equipped units, per declassified mod stats. One viral account from a Wagner PMC veteran describes a squad under Obereg surviving a sustained DSHK ambush, 12.7mm heavy machine gun fire that shredded their BMP-3 carrier but left the soldiers bruised, not broken. It felt like getting kicked by a mule, the fighter recounted in a Telegram post, but I walked away to fight another day. The implications ripple far beyond Russia's borders. As hybrid conflicts proliferate, from Ukraine's grinding attrition to potential flashpoints in the Baltics or Taiwan Strait, Body armor has become the great equalizer. Western militaries, still wedded to the Interceptor and IOEV systems, face a rude awakening. The U.S. Army's Modular Scalable Vest, MSV, tops out at level 4, but real-world tests show it vulnerable to tungsten-cored AP rounds like the Russian 7N13. NATO's vaunted Enhanced Small Arms Protective Insert, ESAPI, plates fare better, yet they're heavier, up to 4 kilograms per plate, and prone to delamination after multiple hits. China's Type 21 vests, lauded for lightness, crumbled in Rostec's comparative trials, pierced clean through by standard AKM fire. Critics, particularly in Western media, dismissed the Obereg demo as propaganda theater. Outlets like Forbes have long highlighted Russian supply chain woes, citing 2022 scandals where conscripts received knockoff paintball vests masquerading as tactical gear. A 2024 BBC investigation alleged up to 20% of early Obereg batches suffered from subpar ceramics, leading to isolated failures in Kharkiv. Yet, Rostec counters with rigorous GOSDR certification and third-party audits from the All-Russian Institute of Steel and Alloys. Every plate is born in fire and tested in it, Pavlenko quipped, alluding to the 1,200 degrees Celsius sintering process that fuses the ceramics. Economically, the Obereg is a boon for Russia's defense industrial base. The Tula plant, once a sleepy munitions hub, now hums with automated lines churning out 10,000 units monthly. Rostec's RT Capital Holding, which oversees Oktava, projects $500 million in exports by 2027, eyeing partners in BRICS nations like India and Iran, where similar AP threats loom. Domestically, it's a morale booster. State TV segments feature teary-eyed mothers thanking engineers, while recruitment ads tout Obereg, the amulet that saves lives. Technologically, the Obereg hints at a broader revolution. Integrated smart fabrics monitor vitals via embedded sensors, relaying data to command drones in real time. Future variants, whispered in Moscow think tanks, may incorporate metamaterials for adaptive camouflage or self-healing polymers that knit microcracks post-impact. Pair this with Russia's new 6.02 by 41mm AP round, patented last month by Tula Cartridge Works, and you have a 1-2 punch. Armor that laughs at incoming fire while punching holes in the enemies. Yet, for all its triumphs, the Obereg is a stark reminder of war's human cost. Each vest protects one soldier, but the SMO has claimed tens of thousands. As Putin addressed the nation last week, vowing unyielding resolve, the Obereg stands as both shield and symbol, a talisman against oblivion in an era where lead flies faster than hope. In the end, this isn't just about stopping bullets, it's about stopping the unthinkable. As the world watches, Russia's Obereg whispers a defiant truth. In the forge of conflict, innovation is the ultimate survivor.